In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fork projects with GitHub Desktop. By the end, you'll know how to take a repository you want to contribute to, fork it to your own account, and get it onto your computer with GitHub Desktop so you can start making changes confidently. First, open GitHub Desktop. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so Desktop can talk to your GitHub account. Being signed in is important because when you clone a repository you don't own, GitHub Desktop can automatically create a fork for you on GitHub, which is exactly what we want. At the top left of the app window, click File. From that menu, choose Clone Repository. This is where you tell GitHub Desktop which project you want to work with. If the project isn't yours, don't worry. When you proceed, Desktop will detect that and offer to create a fork under your account, then clone that fork locally. In the Clone dialog, switch to the URL tab if you have a direct link to the repository. You can copy the repo URL from its GitHub page and paste it here. If you're using a company or organization server, you might need to toggle the hosting option. You'll see choices for GitHub Enterprise and GitHub.com. Pick GitHub Enterprise if the repository lives on your organization's private GitHub server. Otherwise, select GitHub.com for public or standard GitHub projects. Choosing the correct host ensures Desktop can find the repo and authenticate properly. If you don't have a URL handy, you can browse the available repositories in the list and choose the one you want. Make sure you select the original project you intend to fork. GitHub Desktop will handle the forking step as part of the cloning process if you don't have write access to that repository. Next, choose your local path, the folder on your computer where the project will be stored. Pick a location you can easily find again, such as a dedicated code or projects folder. You can create a new folder right from the picker if needed. Ensure you have enough disk space for the repository, especially if it includes large assets or a long history. Click Clone. If the repository isn't yours, you'll see a prompt to create a fork on GitHub. Confirm it, and Desktop will set your fork as the origin and the original project is upstream so you can pull updates later. Once cloning finishes, the repository opens in GitHub Desktop, ready for you to create branches, make commits, and eventually open a pull request back to the original project.